Good morning, YouTube modeling community. Todd H, Lugnuts Hot Rod Garage. Yeah, it's been a little while. Hope everybody had a great Christmas. I guess now it's New Year's Eve morning. About I don't know, 8:30 here West Coast time. 7:30, I guess it is actually, not 8:30. But anyway, I just thought I would jump on, do a quick video. It's been a crazy year. I had some health issues this year. I spent 10 and a half days in the hospital earlier this year with pneumonia. And then here 2 weeks ago, I had hernia surgery. So it's been a bit of a challenge with my health this year, and then some lingering effects from the pneumonia and all that. But anyway, yeah, I kind of been getting into the mode of wanting to build again. I have been following some channels, watching some videos, just really haven't been in the mindset to build anything, and I don't know how this is going to go, but I am feeling inspired to build something. And right now I'm taking the Deserter kit and the 67 Chevelle Pro Street kit, and I'm doing a little kit bashing. I saw a video from a YouTuber that hasn't posted for a while either, but really enjoyed their video. I think it's Insomnia Hobbies, and it inspired me, and so I'm gonna give this a shot and see how it works out for me. I did, for a late Christmas present to myself, I got, which is, guys, this is way overkill for the hobby room, but it gave me so much more storage. I was able, it doesn't probably really look like it, but I was able to clean a lot of stuff off of my workbench. Was able to clear a lot of stuff from under the workbench, although there's still quite a bit of crap under there, but it's much better. But yeah, I've noticed some videos, some guys showing updates to their shops, their work areas, and I thought, well, I've made some changes to mine, so here it is. I haven't posted for a while, so I have no idea what YouTube's algorithm's going to do with my video, if any of you are even going to see it. But if you do, great. Again, I hope everybody has a happy new year, and I'll post how my progress is going with this, and we'll just see how this plays out. Anyway, hope you all have a happy new year, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.